thumbs, what's up? It's Kiana, and today I'm doing my everyday makeup routine. I thought I would do this again because it's been a while since I've done a makeup video and I think they're kind of fun, so let's get rolling. As soon as I start my day, I reach for my Jergens Natural Glow Facial Moisturizer, and this is supposed to be a tanning kind, but honestly, it literally just doesn't do much. But it moisturizes my skin, and that's what I like. So I then go for my foundation. I'm still using my Revlon Color Stay. This stuff has just been my favorite thing for the past 3 years, I think, but I just like to use a sponge and really buff that into my face. And then I like taking my primer potion, stick some foundation on top of my eyes just to kind of even out my whole complexion, you know, make sure my eyes aren't like dark or whatever. After that, I like to curl my eyelashes. And then I'm taking my Rimmel Kohl black eyeliner and tightlining my eyes. I just really like the definition it gives because I don't have much going on my face, so I like to add that. And then I like to take my favorite mascara, the Maybelline Lash Sensational. The stuff is super good. It really lengthens my eyelashes and also keeps them separated, so no clumps are allowed, and that's definitely what I'm looking for. And here's the dramatic shot of my eyelashes. So here I'm taking my NARS Creamy Concealer. This is my favorite stuff ever. It really is great for under eye brightening and also just covering blemishes in general. Something I found is that it's really good to conceal above and below your eyebrows because it really defines them, and that's something I kind of want because my eyebrows look pretty, have that really natural, like sparsy look, so I think it's good to kind of give some definition. After you look crazy, I like to just start blending that in, and yes, I'm a barbarian, I'm using my fingers, but I think it's really good for spot concentration, and honestly, I just don't like using a sponge, because, you know, I've just been not using makeup brushes these days because I'm too lazy to clean them, and I don't know, I'm not getting acne, really, so I think using my hands is fine, but everyone's different. Okay, moving on. And then I set my face with, like, that Bare Minerals stuff, you know? It's my mom's, I just took it from her. And then I'm going to be contouring, which is one of my favorite things to do. I do not have very sharp features, so like sometimes I can look really muddy and just hideous, so I have to be careful with this. That's why I can't like contour too heavily, but I do like to just kind of bronze up my face, make me look less pale and sickly. So there we go, you can kind of see it. I darkened the screen a little bit so you can get a feel for how much contour I have on. And now it's time to do those eyebrows. So, since I ran out of my usual favorite Anastasia, why did I say it like that, Anastasia brow pencil, I'm just filling them in with a little angled shader, not shader, it's just an angled brush, and I'm just using that same bronzer, and yeah, it's not the right color, but I think it's okay because I don't have anything else. And then I'm doing blush, and I really love this blush, it's called Fleur Power by MAC. And then, ooh, this stuff is super good. It's the Glow Kit. I got this for Christmas, and I'm freaking in love with it. I'm obsessed with the shade Moonstone on my skin tone. And there I'm just highlighting the cheekbone area, and also a little bit on my chin and whatnot. And we're finally back to my lower lashes, so I'm just completing that. And I make some pretty hideous faces when I'm doing my mascara, so I kind of just try to cut that off so you wouldn't see it. But yeah. Now I'm just going over my lashes again because I like to make them as full as possible. And just something easy that I like to do at the end of my makeup if I just want some extra definition on my eyes, I like to kind of contour my eyes a little bit. Well, it's just kind of like, I'm just putting eyeshadow on, but it's my bronzer that I was using, so I'm really maximizing that one product, that Kat Von D palette. It's really versatile. And I'm just putting some in my crease and kind of blending it around. I'm not the best at blending. My eye shape's honestly just hard to work with, so I think that's why I'm not as good. But yeah, don't worry, I'm blending that. That looks a little bit gross. But I'm taking my tapered blending brush from Sigma. I love Sigma brushes. They're so great for the price. And yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys liked watching this. It is a very standard makeup tutorial, but I thought I would just update you guys on my routine. Okay, that is it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my makeup routine. The thumbs us up if you like these type of videos, if you want more makeup videos. Yeah, thank you so much for watching again. I'm very thankful for all of you guys who continuously support and watch my videos. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!